Hey guys, so I am going to try the FS Boba. I've had these before at a health convention and they were really good. I was super impressed, just the quality of boba and how good it tastes. So this one's the Hojija. Oh, I can't say it. Hojija. How do you say it? Hojija. I can't pronounce it, guys. But with crystal boba. Sorry, my voice is going away. But I'm going to try it on camera for you guys. I don't want to go everywhere. Yummy. It's cold brewed green tea, sweet nutty, and roasted. And this is just so refreshing. I love tea drinks. So if you're a tea lover, you'll definitely like this. I prefer tea over coffee, just anything tea. But yeah, check them out. I'm hoping they open a store because I'd love to go to it. And I'd be there all the time because they can make good boba. So cheers. And I hope you guys get to try it too.